What does restrict mean on Instagram? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain what restrict means on Instagram. Now, for an example, if I open the Instagram account and here I'm going into my profile and pull one of my posts out, and here on the comments, if you long press on the comment and tap on the exclamation mark icon here, I can find an option to restrict this person. Now, what exactly does this mean? Well, on Instagram, restrict is a feature that allows users to limit the interactions of another user without having to block them. What happens is, the person you have restricted can still see your profile, post, stories, but they won't be able to know when you are online or if you have read their direct messages. Comments on a post from the person you have restricted will only be visible to them and you will be able to approve or delete them without their knowledge. The person you have restricted won't be able to see when you have read their direct messages, and any new messages they send you will be moved to your message request folder without a notification to you. Don't worry, you won't see any notifications from the person you have restricted. The restrict feature is a way to help users to manage their interactions on Instagram and reduce the impact of unwanted or harassing behavior without completely cutting off contact with the person. It's like blocking them without actually blocking them. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.